You can make a one-page mini journal using one sheet of any type of paper. I'm using one of my printables, however you could use plain paper or hand-painted paper or even scrapbook paper. To begin, fold the page into 8 sections. I like to use a paper creasing tool because it makes very sharp creases. Once the paper is creased, fold it in half lengthways and cut along the center fold toward the next fold. Fold the paper widthwise and holding the edges, push the paper so the center section pops open. Then fold the outer sections over to form a booklet. To finish, I like to glue my pages together so that the pages don't flop open and it looks more like a mini journal or notebook.